वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
What's that crap? Papa know it all. I got my own life, you got your own life. Live your own life and set me free. Mind your business and live my business. You know everything, Papa know it all. Very little knowledge is dangerous. Stop bugging me, stop bothering me, stop bugging me, stop fussing me, stop fighting me, stop yelling me. It's my life.
It's my life.
It's my life, my world.
It's my life.
It's my life, my problem.
It's my life.
It's my life, my world.
It's my life.
It's my life, my problem.
It's my life.
Do you understand? I live the way I want to live. I make decisions day and night. Show me signs and good examples. Stop telling people how to run your business. Take a trip to East east and west, you find out you don't know anything. Everybody's getting tired of you. Sometimes you have to look and listen. You can even learn from me. Little knowledge is dangerous. It's my life.
It's my life.
It's my life, my world.
It's my life.
It's my life, my problem.
It's my life.
It's my life, my world.
It's my life.
It's my life, my problem.
It's my life.
Set me free, so you bet, so you lie. What you see is what you get. Listen to people and solve things out. Things I do them no more. Things I say them no more. Changes come once in life. Stop forgiving me, stop bothering me, stop forgiving me, stop forcing me, stop fighting me, stop yelling me, stop telling me, stop seeing me. It's my life.
It's my life.
It's my life, my world.
It's my life.
It's my life, my problem.
It's my life.
It's my life, my world.
It's my life.
It's my life, my problem.
It's my life.
It's my life.
It's my life.
It's my life.
It's my life. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life. It's my life.
Universities and colleges, members of Council for Teacher Education, principals from various educational institutions, paper presenters, delegates here for 18th CTE Annual State Conference 2018 and National Seminar on Rethinking Teacher Education. दो पंक्तियों के साथ मैं एक बार आपका सभी का फिर से स्वागत करती हूँ कि कह दो अंधेरों से कहीं और घर बना लें, कह दो अंधेरों से कहीं और घर बना लें। आज ज्ञान की रोशनी का सैलाब आने वाला है, आज ज्ञान की रोशनी का सैलाब आने वाला है। अब मैं श्री विनोद भारद्वाज जी, प्रेसिडेंट कॉलेज मैनेजिंग कमेटी, डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी शर्मा, सेक्रेटरी कॉलेज मैनेजिंग कमेटी और मिसेस गुरविंदर कौर, ऑफिशिएटिंग प्रिंसिपल से अनुरोध करती हूँ कि वे आए हुए विशिष्ट व्यक्तियों को बुके भेंट कर उनका स्वागत करें।
एक मिनट सर, सामने जी
बुके भेंट कर रहे हैं हम प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर आर.जी. कोठारी जी को, जो फॉर्मर वाइस चांसलर VNST यूनिवर्सिटी सूरत है, वो फॉर्मर हेड डीन MS यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ बड़ौदा वडोदरा गुजरात हैं।
हाँ जी सर, इधर
वो एडवाइजर CTE पंजाब एंड चंडीगढ़ चैप्टर हैं।
हाँ जी
स्वागत करते हैं हम डॉक्टर खुशविंदर कुमार जी का, जो प्रिंसिपल MM मोदी कॉलेज पटियाला एवं प्रेसिडेंट CTE पंजाब एंड चंडीगढ़ चैप्टर हैं।
हाँ जी सर,
बुके भेंट कर रहे हैं हम श्री SP खन्ना जी को, जो पैटर्न CTE पंजाब चैप्टर हैं। उनका स्वागत है। स्वागत है मिसेस रश्मि खुराना जी का, जो रिटायर्ड असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर ऑल इंडिया रेडियो से हैं। मिसेस रश्मि खुराना जी, रिटायर्ड असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर ऑल इंडिया रेडियो, यू आर वेलकम हियर।
जी मैम।
आज के समारोह का शुभारंभ हम करने जा रहे हैं हम मां सरस्वती की आराधना से। तो मैं इन सभी विशिष्ट महानुभावों से अनुरोध करूंगी कि वे मैं विनम्र निवेदन।
Eminent scholars, august speakers, honored guests, delegates, respected members of CTE, members of College Managing Committee, members of print media, my teacher colleagues, last but not the least, my dear students, a very good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming all of you on behalf of College Managing Committee to the 18th CTE Annual State Conference and National Seminar on Rethinking Teacher Education. I am very happy and grateful that so many eminent scholars and teachers have come from various parts of the country to share their knowledge and experience and to explore the better ways of educating our future leaders. I would like to take this opportunity to express my deep appreciation for Professor Amit Kautz, Dean Faculty of Education and Head Department of Education, Guru Nanak Dev University, for honoring us with the keynote address for today's seminar. I also extend warm welcome to Professor R.G. Kothari, former Vice Chancellor of VNGS University, Surat, who is going to deliver Dr. D.R. Vij Memorial Lecture today. I welcome Dr. Khushvinder Kumar, Principal M.M. Modi College, Patiala, President CTE Punjab and Chandigarh Chapter, who has always been an inspiring figure behind all our initiatives. My sincere welcome to Dr. Mrs. Rashmi Khurana, former Assistant Director, All India Radio, Shri S.P. Khanna, Patron CTE Punjab Chapter, visionaries of the seminar. A very hearty welcome to Dr. Kulwinder Singh from Department of Education, Punjabi University, Patiala. Teacher education for preparing humane and professional teachers needs to be holistic. Along with content and methodology, there is need to integrate life skills such as self-awareness, empathy, international relationship, effective communication, critical thinking, creative thinking, decision-making, problem-solving, and coping with emotions and stress. There is need to integrate info-savvy skills such as asking, accessing, analyzing, and accepting, applying. There is need to integrate human development climate through trust, risk-taking, openness, responsibilities, feedback, team spirit, and collaboration. There is also need to integrate spiritual intelligence dimensions such as spirituality, soul or inner being, quest for life values, convention, commitment and character, brotherhood, equality of caste, creed, color and gender, interpersonal relations, acceptance and empathy, love and compassion, flexibility, leadership. Teacher education is an important strand of national debate on educational improvement in India today. Every fault of teacher education is attributed to the NCTE. Rather than finding faults, let us try to meet the gaps between our policies and programs, vision and mission, wish and will. We must think big again and revision teacher education to a changing world. Let us all work together to realize this vision. Once again, I welcome you all to our college and hope that you will have very exciting, engaging and enriching sessions, academic sessions ahead. Thank you.
Now the person to whom I am going to call for the keynote addresses Dr. Amit Kautz, Dean Faculty of Education and Head Department of Education, Guru Nanak Dev University. He is former principal of MGN College of Education, Jalandhar. Besides, he is a teacher par excellence. A highly motivated and inspired person, he always takes a brave and principled stand on matters concerning the well-being and welfare of the Department of Education. The department has moved from strength to strength under his able leadership. I welcome him on the dais for the keynote address. Dr. Amit Kautz, you're welcome here.
Management of DN College of Education, Dr. Bhardwaj, Mrs. Bhardwaj, Mr. Kothari, Principal of the College, Madam Rashmi Khurana, CTE family, professional colleagues, teachers, delegates of the seminar, and very dear students. It's really a matter of pride for me that DN College of Education is organizing a national seminar on a very pertinent issue, rethinking teacher education. One issue which is very important today, which all of us need to deliberate, is really we need to rethink teacher education, meaning thereby somehow we believe that there's something wrong with teacher education. Because the moment we are thinking that we need to rethink teacher education, probably we are concerned about what's happening in teacher education. And when something is happening in teacher education, it is not to be reflected the way teacher education institutions are working. What kind of infrastructure teacher education institutions have, what kind of curriculum do we have through which we are training teachers. But probably we have to have a look on the type of society we have today. The kind of teachers we have today in schools. What are the gaps? What kind of students we are producing today which are coming into the social domain? Time and again, when I was preparing and thinking of what to talk on this seminar, I was going through certain documents. And some of the documents which based my thought process was ASER report 2012, then it came in 2014, then 16, then 17. 12, 14, 16, they are basically based on the data from rural institutions, rural schools, and the target was school children up to 1st to 8th class students. But 2017 ASER report, they basically based on their report on higher education, the students who are into higher education. And there's few things which are very alarming, which I need to share with you. 2012 to 2016, there's an increase and improvement of reading skills. Now reading skills are not very good. 50% of the students, they were not able to read what they were supposed to read at 2nd class up to 5th or 8th class. Now see, the quality of teaching taking place in schools, that rural institutions, around 24 states were taken into consideration, and then some kind of sample strategy was taken up. Similarly, the students who were able, who were supposed to acquire certain arithmetic skills up to the age of 2nd or 3rd class, they were not able to simple division, simple subtraction, simple addition. They were not able to do it up to the age of, say, 8th or 9th class. Now this is something very alarming. Kind of education we are providing the schools somehow reflect the kind of training we are giving to our school teachers, because those are the students who are being taught by qualified teachers, and most of the data which is taken up is in government schools, not in private schools. Now in this scenario, somehow we teacher educators needs to think that what's going wrong in our way of training, that the teachers, they are not able to deliver good